how to use Notion for script planning. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use Notion Mobile for script planning. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, you will need to download Notion from your Google Play Store and log into your account. So open up your Notion and make sure you're logged in. What you can do after you're logged in is you can then start by creating a page. So there are multiple options. You can see you can create a private page. You can do stuff like weekly to-do list, monthly budgets, and many more. So I'll just tap on the plus icon right here, and this will give me a page. This is a private page where I can now start just adding stuff. If you want, you can even choose a template, but let's not go there for now. And after you're here, it's in the mobile, it's quite easy. Everything is on the toolbar above your keyboard, and if you now simply start typing, you can then start making bullets, texts, and many more. So there you can see, if I tap on the plus, you can see the headings and everything. So for your script planning, if you can just give it a to-do list where you can add stuff like creating the characters. After that, you can maybe assign names. Then you can write the relationships. Then you can write dialogues. Then you can write plot twists and everything. After you're done with that, you can then let it be. You can now also give it formal text. If you keep on writing it, that's basically the formal text. And you can structure the toggles. You can structure everything by just giving it a heading. So if you just head over to the top, you can then start adding stuff. Let me just go here and give it a second heading by tapping on the plus icon, tapping on heading 2, and saying like script design. Then you can simply go ahead and add stuff like ideas, filmings, and many more. You can also add that in your uh, to-do list. So there are other things that you can do as well. You can see multiple options, so you can start exploring with that. You can change the fonts and everything. There is a lot of different options, but yeah, that's how you use Notion Mobile for script planning. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.